Hi guys, it's Thunderstorm Toys here with another toy review. And guess what I got for you guys today? Well, it's obvious from the title. It's gonna be unboxing of a Rubik's Cube. This is my first ever Rubik's Cube. I did have one before, but it like kind of broke, and it wasn't really a Rubik's Cube. It was something else. And yeah, as you can see from the box, it says for symbol sliding to classic cubing, Rubik's Cube. Has it all. And on the side it says here, Puzzle of the Year 2000, Toy Retailers Association 2007. I'm not sure if you can see that. And the world's #1 puzzle. And on this side it says, from simple sliding to classic cubing, siding, cornering, crossing, and cubing. And on the top here it says www.rubikscube.com, ages 8 to adult, the world's #1 puzzle. Massive words, Rubik's Cube. Solution leaflet included. That's why I bought this. Because I can't really solve a Rubik's Cube. I watched people do it, and I watched how to do it, but I didn't really understand. I know how to make the white side, but not the rest. It says here, hours of challenging fun, and with a clock. And on that I had a light bulb saying like, I solved it, Eureka or whatever. And on the back it just has nothing. On the side it says, brilliant new features, enjoy inciting new multi-level play. Now you can have a quick flash of fun with Rubik's simpler side before you take on the challenge of solving the whole cube. The enclosed booklet describes these fantastic games and also includes the simplest ever 7-step solution to Rubik's Cube. Official Rubik's creation. Yeah. Now let's get on to unboxing it. Yeah, I'll put it there. Okay, let's unbox it. Where do you open it? Okay. It's quite hard to unbox this. Let's see how to unbox this. You just okay. Let's somehow get in that gap. Okay, I'm open it. I don't think this is how you open it. Okay. This is my first unboxing of a toy ever. Wow, puzzle. Okay, I started opening it. Yeah, I opened it. Sorry if I'm taking forever, but I just got this like half an hour ago and thought it would be nice to post it on YouTube. Okay. Okay. I finally opened the box, and let's open. It's just plastic. Nothing special. And the main toy itself. Oh yeah, by the way, this cost me £13. And it was quite expensive. Didn't really want to buy it, but I thought it'd be nice to have one. The instructions, but not instructions, the 7-step solution guide. It's new. For one player ages 8 to adults, and basically it uses the L R U D F and B, which stands for left, right, up, down, front and back on this step, so it'll be quite easy. And I stands for inverse, so you turn it the other way. And it's just a simple like how to solve this cube. Might be useful to me actually. On the back, there's just more information and random stuff. Let's just stop. Let's just quit with the instructions and get onto the main toy itself. Okay, here we have the Rubik's cube. Turns quite nice. Yeah, quite nice. Yeah, and on the top it says Rubik's cube there, with a mini cube inside, and the main colours are white, green, orange, yellow, blue, and red, which are stickers. They're not painted on or whatever. They're just stickers, and yeah. And you can peel them off quite easily. I don't want to ruin this. Cost me like a fortune. It says here Rubik's and a tiny word down there, cube, and it's in metallic. And on here, this one's just molded on, and so it's here. So I guess that's the front, and just put the cube there. And yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, see you in my next videos. Bye. Please thumbs up, comment, subscribe.